Evening guys, back at the ball dump for a few hours. Just finished work, so I thought I'd just pop in, see if I can find anything. Got to start in here. Got a couple of good ones last time here with my brother. It was really hard, the ground was really wet. Hopefully it's not too bad today. Got this wee thing off eBay, I'll just state that. Do not buy this, waste of money. So if any of you have got any good stuff that would help it, because I'm just using a wee shovel. It's all these big rocks. So if any's know of anything I can buy, help me out a bit, I'll appreciate it. So crack on and see if I find anything. I'll let you know. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, been going for a wee bit of an hour now. A lot of broken stuff, but there's still ones coming out. This wee one. What am I writing on it? And it's starting to rain. But luckily I'm a wee bit of shelter. Cool. A couple of wee ones. I am gutted. This came out. I am gutted. Floating. I never knew you got these up this far. I thought it was just an English bottle. But I'll take it home anyway. Gutted. I'll try and get the wee rattle. I'll try and get to see what it says. But it is nice. First ever cod. Is it cod? I don't know. I think so. I'm gutted. First ever one broke. So hopefully I'll get a whole one. Midges are everywhere. Hopefully this rain will take them away. Aye. But hopefully get some more. I'll get back to catch you in a bit. Right guys, I'm going to try a attempt at a live dig. This one popped out. Having a nice wee bit here. A lot of broken ones, but it's more than I've been finding. So fingers crossed at this hole. Oh, that's nice. Biggest one I get yet. I don't know if you ever get these with markings, like writing. But I'll get it cleaned up when I get home and I'll let you see it all nice and clean. And I'll get back to you when I get another. Right guys, I'm doing a nice wee bit. That's come out, nice wee inkwell. And it's this, I don't know if you call that ashy stuff, orangey ash here, watch. But there's a bottle there, and there's one there. That's a broken one. But I'll get back to you if I can get this one out and it is whole. See you in a bit. Yeah, that's that out. So if you can make that out. Focus. It says Freighter and Son manufacturer, Newcastle on Tyne. It's a nice wee one, it's a wee stumpy one. Set that with it next. Aye, they're no bad. It is pouring down now. as the Scots would say, pishing it down. Aye. And I mind as a boy, these freaking things used to get stung by them all the time, and I do not miss the sting at all. Got my thumb right through the glove. Do not miss the sting. But I'll carry on in here, see if we can find any more. And I'll get back to you if I find any more. But if the rain stays on, I think I'm heading. So if you don't see me again, it'll be the clean up. See you later. Right guys, I'm going to call it a day. These midges are driving me up the wall. I got a wee tiny stoneware one, and a Inkwell, another wee one, and that what's it saying? Dunsford's Magnesia. So I'll take them home. We're a good wee area in here, but it's just raining. Midges, nettles. It's enough for me. But I'll get these cleaned up and I'll show you at the end. And I'll see you later. Maybe another day down here. See, catch you later guys. Mind like and subscribe if you want. I've never ever said it before, but like and subscribe. Help me a wee bit. Cheers. Right, see you later. Right guys, that's me again, got them all cleaned up. Came out actually not too bad. Absolutely got soaked walking back to the car. It was quite a wee walk back through two fields. Grass up to your waist. I get absolutely ringing. So I need to invest in a pair of waterproofs. So these are all nice and clean now. So, Frater and Sons, manufacturer, Newcastle upon Tyne. This wee bottle. I'm actually pleased with this wee one. It's a wee belter. This one, you seen it? I got it's got a letter E on it. I think that's an E. If that means anything to anybody, let us know in the comments. If you know, get two wee inkwells. Nice wee one, nice wee round one. Quite like the wee ones. Quite like the wee inkwells. I've got one of these before at the same place. Holbrook and Co. Quite a nice wee one. And I got Dunford's Magnesia. First ever Magnesia bottle. Quite nice. Quite good. Thick seams up the side. If you can see that. If it's old or what, let us know. And this is the one I was gutted. God. It says McIntyre and McCall. It's Pelter. Glasgow. I actually never knew you got these up in Scotland. I thought it was always England bottles. So I'll keep this one. It's quite nice to have fun a whole one. So I was summoned. So that's me guys. Not too bad today, but it was raining, midges, nettles, think everyone was against me. So I'll be back again. I'm in a good wee scene, so hopefully there's plenty there. And I'll catch you guys later. Mind like and subscribe and leave a comment if you see anything, and I'll catch you later. Bye.